Alright, so here's a little bed camera thing I made for the Cybertruck. Got a little handle. Got the bed camera on it. So if there's full sheets in here, this will fit on the edge of it. The full sheet will go up to here. So basically I've got that going. Got the outlet on. See a little blue light. Now we can go into the Cybertruck. And just basically how that works is if we turn that down, basically got the camera sits right here. All I've got to do is hit that button and then this should pop on, and there I've got my bed camera. Now I could set this up to where, and I might put a hinge on it, like put some kind of a hinge here or something, so that this can actually set in the back. Although it might, yeah, no. So I have it to where the camera faces back, so if I've actually got stuff in the bed back there, I can watch it that way, just by putting this all the way in the back. I don't really see needing that too much. But yeah, that's the deal, and that's the machine I just made it on.